Good morning, student. In yesterday's lecture, we started discussion related to the some important point, that is some of the method of preparation of alkyl halide. Now, how the alkyl halide are prepared? There are various substrates by using which one can prepare alkyl halide. But while using that particular substrate or reactant, we have to select a special kind of reagent. Suppose we have to prepare alkyl halide from alcohol. While preparing alkyl halide from alcohol, what kind of suitable reagent one can use? For that purpose, one can use an special reagent, that is hydrogen halide. One may use and phosphorus halide also, or thionyl chloride also. So how these conversion are brought about? In generally, what we have to carry out, we have to react alcohol with these reagent under suitable condition. Then only it is possible to convert alcohol into an alkyl halide. So generally, what we have to carry out? Generally, we have to carried out this conversion ROH. This is what? This is alcohol, right? This is what? Alcohol. Now here we have to convert alcohol into alkyl halide, alcohol into this kind of functional group, that is called as alkyl halide. Simply, this is an replacement reaction or a substitution reaction. What we have to carry out here in this reaction, OH group of alcohol, we have to replace by an X. So what is X? X, it is an halide. Clear? It may be chloride, it may be bromide, where X means what? It may be chloride, it may be bromide, or it may be iodide. Clear? Now, how is this conversion are brought about? So firstly, we have to discuss conversion of alcohol into alkyl halide by using an hydrogen halide. Now, what kind of reagent here we have to use for this kind of conversion? We have to use an reagent which is hydrogen halide. Generally, that is represented as HX. Clear? Hydrogen halide means we have to react alcohol with hydrogen halide, then one can get an alkyl halide. Clear? Now, while we considering हाइड्रोजन हाइलाइड, अगर आप हाइड्रोजन हाइलाइड की बात कर रहे हैं तो हाइड्रोजन हाइलाइड में अगेन हम क्या क्या यूज कर सकते हैं? तो इन जनरल हाइड्रोजन हाइलाइड कैन बी रिप्रेजेंटेड एज HX, बट in detail, if you try to take an hydrogen halide, one can use HCl, one can use HBr, or one can use HI. Now what you have to carry out? You have to carry out reaction of alcohol with this hydrogen halide, then only we get alkyl halide. So how is that general reaction is represented? General reaction of this conversion. General reaction is like this: ROH. This is what? This is your alcohol, right? Alcohol. Now we have to react alcohol with hydrogen halide. Hydrogen halide generally represented as HX. Clear? Now we get product. So what kind of product we get in this reaction? OH group. In this reaction, OH group of alcohol now replaced by X, that is halogen. Now what we get? We get product like this RX along with byproduct H2O. When alcohol is treated with hydrogen halide, we get product alkyl halide along with byproduct H2O. Now what happens actually in this reaction? OH group of alcohol replaced by halogen of hydrogen halide. Now how this byproduct is obtained? Water, it is your byproduct. So how this byproduct is obtained? This byproduct is a combination of OH group of alcohol and hydrogen of hydrogen halide. OH of alcohol and hydrogen of hydrogen halide. These two combine together and we get a product, that is byproduct water. And what is our main product? RX, that is our main product, that is called as alkyl halide. Clear? Now this is clear. Alcohol when treated with hydrogen halide, we get alkyl halide along with byproduct, that is H2O. Now in detail अगर हम यहाँ पे HCl का यूज कर रहे हैं तो हाउ दैट इज पॉसिबल? इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट, just as I told you, instead of HCl one can use HBr also or HI also. So how these reactions are possible? Now in detail, reactions in detail. So in that category, firstly, suppose we have to convert. Now what we have to carry out here? Conversion of alcohol into alkyl chloride. Conversion of alcohol into alkyl chloride. So how that is possible? If you want to prepare alkyl chloride from alcohol, so how that is possible? For that purpose, what we have to use? We have to carry out a reaction is like this. Alcohol, now we have to treat with HCl, that is hydrogen chloride. HX, हम अगर HX की बात करें तो हमें क्या यूज करना है यहाँ पे? HCl. So alcohol when treated with HCl, hydrogen chloride, then we get a product alkyl chloride along with byproduct water, that is our byproduct H2O. This is a combination of OH group of alcohol and hydrogen atom from hydrogen halide. Clear? Now if you consider alcohol, again alcohol has three types. Main important thing is like this: there are three types of alcohol. अल्कोहल की अगर हम बात कर रहे हैं तो अल्कोहल में भी तीन टाइप्स होते हैं. सो विच आर दे? देर आर थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ अल्कोहल. विच आर दे? प्राइमरी अल्कोहल. अल्कोहल में फर्स्ट टाइप आता है, दैट इज प्राइमरी अल्कोहल. देन सेकेंडरी अल्कोहल एंड देन टर्शरी अल्कोहल. प्राइमरी अल्कोहल, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol. If you try to check out reactivity between these three, it is observed that tertiary alcohol is highly reactive than secondary. Okay? अगर हम सेकेंडरी और प्राइमरी को कंपेयर कर रहे तो इसमें भी हमें दिखता है सेकेंडरी अल्कोहल आर मोर रिएक्टिव देन प्राइमरी अल्कोहल. नाउ alcohol, there are three types of alcohol: primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol. If you try to check out the reactivity series, it is observed that primary alcohol is less reactive than secondary alcohol less reactive than tertiary alcohol. Now if you try to react primary alcohol with HCl, what you have to carry out? Primary alcohol with HCl, then what are the conditions? As we know that primary alcohol is less reactive than secondary and tertiary. For that purpose, what we have to use? We have to use an catalyst. So how that reaction is carried out? Now example, if you take an example of CH3 CH2 OH, what is the name of this alcohol? This is an ethyl alcohol. And it belongs to category that is primary, right? It is a primary alcohol. Okay, now primary alcohol when treated with HCl, as we know that these primary alcohol are very less reactive than secondary and tertiary alcohol. So while carrying out reaction between primary alcohol and HCl, always use concentrated HCl. Okay, instead of dilute HCl, what you have to use? Concentrated HCl along with catalyst, which is anhydrous ZnCl2. Anhydrous ZnCl2. Clear? So primary alcohol when treated with concentrated HCl, but this reaction we have to carry out in presence of catalyst anhydrous ZnCl2, zinc chloride, and heat all these mixture together. Then what happens? Again, OH group of alcohol, this OH group of alcohol now replaced by Cl, we get a product CH3, CH2, Cl along with byproduct H2O. Okay, now this mixture of concentrated HCl and anhydrous ZnCl2, this kind of mixture now called as Lucas reagent. Okay, so remember this most important reagent. What is that? Lucas reagent. Now what is Lucas reagent? Lucas reagent is a mixture of concentrated HCl and anhydrous ZnCl2. In a competitive exam, most of the time like this question are come. What is Lucas reagent? For 1 mark also, what is Lucas reagent? Remember this, it is a mixture of concentrated HCl and anhydrous ZnCl2. Clear? Now instead of this primary alcohol, one can use the secondary alcohol or tertiary alcohol. So while carrying out reaction between secondary alcohol and HCl, use again catalyst but no need of heating. Clear? And while carrying reaction between tertiary alcohol and HCl, so directly take an tertiary alcohol, add an HCl in that. There is no need of catalyst like anhydrous ZnCl2. Directly we get a product that is an alkyl chloride. Now ethyl, in this reaction what we observe, ethyl alcohol, it belongs to category primary alcohol. This is an less reactive alcohol. While carrying reaction between this primary alcohol and concentrated HCl, we have to use an catalyst anhydrous ZnCl2, heat all these mixture together, then only we get a product alkyl chloride. Now what is name of this product? Now this is called as ethyl chloride, okay, along with byproduct H2O. And remember this term, Lucas reagent. So what is Lucas reagent? It is a mixture of concentrated HCl and anhydrous ZnCl2. Clear? This is our first conversion, that means conversion of alcohol into alkyl chloride. Okay, so as I told you, alcohol when treated with HCl, it gives alkyl chloride along with byproduct H2O. But most important thing in detail, there are 3 types of alcohol: primary, secondary, tertiary. So what we observe, primary alcohol are less reactive than secondary alcohol, and secondary alcohol are less reactive than tertiary alcohol. So while carrying reaction between these type of alcohol, we have to carry out reaction in different condition. Different condition means while carrying reaction between primary alcohol and concentrated HCl, always carried out in presence of anhydrous ZnCl2 and heat them together. Without this catalyst, this conversion is not possible. So that is point to be remembered. Okay. Now the mixture of concentrated and anhydrous ZnCl2, that is called as Lucas reagent. So again, अगर हम सेकेंडरी और टर्शरी का एग्जाम्पल मिस कन्वर्जन अगर कर रहे हैं तो हमें क्या करना है, वाइल कैरिंग रिएक्शन बिटवीन सेकेंडरी अल्कोहल एंड कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड HCl, अगेन वी हैव टू ऐड कैटलिस्ट अनहाइड्रस ZnCl2, बट इन दैट कैटेगरी देयर इज नो नीड ऑफ हीटिंग. At room temperature this may possible. Now why like this will happen? Because as we know that secondary alcohol is more reactive than primary, right? So because of that, while carrying reaction between secondary alcohol and concentrated HCl, just put up catalyst in that is anhydrous ZnCl2. There is no need of heating. Clear? और अगर हम टर्शरी अल्कोहल की बात करें तो टर्शरी अल्कोहल एज कंपेयर विथ प्राइमरी एंड सेकेंडरी मोर रिएक्टिव है. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट जस्ट टेक एन टर्शरी अल्कोहल, add in that concentrated HCl. there is no need of catalyst anhydrous ZnCl2, हम उस पर नहीं डालेंगे. so directly what happens, directly that tertiary alcohol react with concentrated HCl and we get a product like this alkyl chloride. so these are the point you have to remember. Okay.